So this is 5200 3rd Ave South. I've ran the camera to 73 feet, which is 20 feet past here, and I've marked that spot on the ground. 54 feet, we are in the alley behind the adjacent 2-story house. This is where a PVC cleanout has been cut in. The pipe is Orangeburg. I do have the pipe flowing, but it's been breached in 2 spots. So this is one breach here. That's what all this debris in this area has been catching on. And as we come back, there's going to be a second breach right here. You can see where all the roots are growing in on the right hand side of the pipe. That big chunk right there is roots. So Orangeburg pipe, you can't jet it at high pressure because it's made out of a tar paper. You can Google it. So I was able to get the pipe flowing, but with it being Orangeburg, that pipe's going to have to be replaced. Water's just remnants from, I was running a hose down the clean out after I jetted it to check the flow. I was able to clean all the cast iron out from underneath the house, and that's another breach right there. If you look on the right hand side of the screen, all that is roots growing into the pipe. So coming back now towards the house, this is getting back to the PVC clean out. And when I go under the house, you can see the difference. So this is cast iron. This is where I just removed all the flakes from. This goes right back to, there's a clean out at the end of the line, and then it stubs right up to a toilet. So you can see how nice and clear and round that pipe is, the cast iron pipe. And now I'll go back into the Orangeburg so you can see the difference. You can definitely tell a big difference on this Orangeburg pipe. It holds a lot of water, it's lumpy and bumpy. It's got roots growing in it. And it's Orangeburg from here, 73 feet. Looks like it's in the alley running to the 2-story house behind it. So all this Orangeburg is going to have to be replaced. This is John with iFind Leaks. Thanks for watching.